Hello everyone! Today we are going to do the unboxing and the review of the smartwatch Amazfit T-Rex Pro, which is, you can say, the second generation of this model. The first model was T-Rex only without the Pro, the second model was this one, T-Rex Pro, and the last one is the T-Rex 2. So let's start by checking the box. Here you can see it is 1.3 AMOLED display, a blood oxygen sensor, and 100 sports mode, and ultra long battery life up to 14 days, you can say 20 days with the ultra saving. And from the other side you can see it is military standard certified, precise positioning with the multi-GNSS, which is the GPS, and the water resistance up to 100 meters. Means you can swim with it in the pool, you can use it under the rain or with the water or whatever. And along also you can see it is having altimeter, barometer, and compass integrated sensor. From the front here you can feel the picture, it is 3D feeling here. Okay, let's start with opening the box here. And this is the smartwatch T-Rex Pro. Okay, we'll check all the details, don't worry. We'll start by putting the smartwatch here. This is the manual. Nothing else inside. The other half, I think it's having the charger. And now we will go to the smartwatch. We can see all the details. It's having rubber feeling. It's having 4 buttons at the sides, 4 functional buttons. The frame is plastic, is lightweight, heavy-duty plastic. The smartwatch overall, it is very light, but you can feel it is rigid. It's almost having the same feeling as the G-Force watch, G-Shock, sorry, G-Shock watches. Here it is having also, I think the screw also is plastic, metal coated plastic. And now we'll start by opening.